Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ife Artistry. If this is your first time seeing my videos, you are highly welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming here. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful, oh my god, beautiful braids from FANCIVIVI hair. So they sent me this beautiful, gorgeous, beautiful for review, and actually did one or two on this hair. If this is what you're interested in, keep on watching and let's dive into it. Okay guys, so this is me. Actually this is the brand, the package, how it actually came. So I brought out the hair. This is a 20 inches hair, braided wigs, braided frontal, something like that. It's actually 360, and this hair is actually very nice, well braided. And this is the front. It just came like this, and like it's so nice. I love the baby hair thing in the front of the hair. So you have this adjustable stripe at the back, so it actually helps you to secure the hair, and it equally has this the stuff that actually holds the hair down. Like the inside is equally very neat. The hair is so lovely and so nice. So this is actually me. This is their band from FANCIVIVI band you can use and secure the hair. This is a hair bonnet. Oh my god, this is lovely. Yeah, sure, of course. Okay, and this is their wig cap, and this is the stuff that I can actually put on the hair. I don't know what the name is. The lashes, and this is cards. I don't really know what these things are anyway. Well, that is it. Okay guys, so I actually did the bad cap off camera because it was actually my first time. Okay, so after that I begin to like cut the lace. So I actually thought that cutting the lace first is going to help me achieve something nice and something neat. So one thing I actually did is to make sure I remove the baby hairs, and then I cut the lace on its own. Like, do you understand me? So make sure the baby hairs are not actually on your way, and then you cut, and I equally cut in zigzag motion. You can see how my hand is actually moving. That's actually the best way to cut the lace. Make sure you are not cutting it straight, because of course your hair is not straight. Okay guys, so I was actually done with cutting the lace here, and this is what it looks like. And after that I'm going to actually wear it on. So when I wore it on, I made some adjustment, and guys, this is actually good without glue. This is no glue, no nothing. It's good. You can actually wear this hair like this. I was thinking this is not glueless, but when I wore it like this, it's actually very, very nice, guys. Like, I mean, so nice. You can't even like imagine. This is so good. It looks like everything is just, I think because of the stripe band at the back, it's just helped it sit so good and so proper. And this is so lovely, and I love the outcome. But anyway, of course I was actually planning to wear this hair for a long time. Like, I mean, I was not about to remove it immediately, so I had to actually take it back and glue it down, because yeah, of course I want to wear it. I mean, I've not had these braids for a very long time. So after that I began to use my glue on the front hair. That is actually the reason why I was wearing a wig cap. I think I could have actually wore the hair like that, but of course I want to have the hair on for a while, like I said. Okay guys, so I begin to apply my glue. As you all know, little stripes of glue goes a long way. Do not go and pack one glue at one place. So I was actually putting the glue on in different places, and I'm actually spreading it. As I'm placing the glue, I'm spreading it. Okay, so so I continue like that, and I continue to spread the glue, and just keep moving, and that is it. So I keep spraying the glue and just watch until that is actually done. I think it actually did take a while for me to be done with spreading the glue, not spraying. Jesus Christ, I was not I was spreading the glue on my front head, especially the place that is joined with the bald cap. Okay guys, so this is it. After I was done, I have to wait for the glue to actually sit and make sure the white cast already. Did you see how neat this hair is? Like, this hair is so neat. When I say neat, I mean so neat, I'm telling you. So I actually go ahead and I'm just bringing it, making sure that everything is where it's supposed to be and all that. Guys, like, this hair is one of the sweetest. It's so neat and so nice, and that's one of the things I love about the hair, actually. So as we keep going, I am just making some adjustments to make sure everything is where it's supposed to be. So there's this thing in the front I needed to cut off, and I actually did that. And everything is so perfect, guys. This is actually one of the simplest hair to install. Like, you don't really have a lot of work to do. It's just so easy. And this is a wig, I guess, you can actually wear, just, you know, like boom, you go your way and all that. Okay, guys, so after that, I feel like the front is like, there are some places in the front that still need some glue, so I'm just going ahead to place glue on them. I'm just taking my time to place glue on them, and that is it. I'm just doing that and all that. So I place the glue, and then when they clear, I'm going to just press it down for them to hold the head down for me, you know. So I keep going and I keep moving. I don't know if using glue to hold this head down is actually one of the best, but of course I wanted to carry the hair for a while, and that's why I glued it down. I just hope that I'm not really, I don't know, but of course it should be good, because of course this is frontal, why not? Okay, so this point I have to actually let this particular place dry down while I go to the front and equally add a little bit of glue there. So just make sure my glues are not visible wherever they are. So before I actually press it down, I make sure that it's already cleared. So this place is equally cleared, and equally the front is cleared. So I just have to press them down. So after that, I just going to the baby hair thing, and the baby hair is of course one of my enemies, you know. I'm not really good with baby hair, but I'm going to do my best. So I am trying to get the baby hair done, guys. If you really know a way I can do, if I'm doing baby hair on somebody, of course I do try my best, but on myself I don't really know. But I have to just do what I have to do, because I mean, I can't kill myself. I just have to do my thing the way I can do it. So in this part, I don't know what the baby hair is actually trying to turn into, but of course I have to still slay. Why not? So I did my best, the things I think I can do. I don't know, I got it at some point, and I don't know what asked me to, you know, take it down. And now I have to use the band and just secure the hair. I tied it down, and after a while I removed the band, and guys, this is the outcome. And after that, I have to use of course, I don't know what the name is actually golden stuff that they place on the hair. So I used that. I actually placed it different sections of the hair, and this is so, it makes the hair so, you know, all these small vibes and all that. So to purchase this hair, you can actually use the link in my description down below, and you're going to thank me later. Okay, guys, so yeah, this is actually the full length. This hair is so nice. It looks like I actually made hair, like it looks like I actually make. I don't know why I'm applying my lip gloss at this point. I don't know, I just don't know. Okay, so this is actually it. I keep touching the hair. I keep trying to see how this comes out and how this is out. And after a while, so I did my makeup, and after doing my makeup, of course, I was ready to go out. Okay, guys, so this is actually the end of the video. I hope you love this video as much as I do. I'm going to be seeing you guys next time. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Love you, bye.